My name is Jasmine and I am a Habitat homeowner. I have been a Habitat homeowner for 6.5 years. It was a really fun process and I got to learn a lot, and I really never thought I'd become a homeowner. So I was like, I did it. If you look at rental prices, if I miss 1 month, they would never be able to catch up. As a single parent, it happens. I chose solar systems because I sat down and they discussed it and I was like, oh, I'll save money? Sign me up. I'm just paying my electricity bill normal. And then all of a sudden, my bill was like $67. I was like, it works. Oh my goodness. I was paying over 100. Peak season, it can go like to 250. And if I get behind, we're homeless. Whereas like, I am always able to pay my mortgage. With saving as much as I've already started saving with the solar panels, I'm able to freak out less for buying food and my water bill. It's a stressful bill because it's every 2 months, and so it's a higher bill. With the electricity being smaller, I have more money to pay the water bill. It's good for cooking. It's good for my hot showers. It's great for everything that we do at home. In the long term, I feel like it's only gonna get better. I would tell everyone to get solar because in half of a month, I saw huge savings, and who doesn't like to save? Use that money for a vacation or another bill like me. Bottom line, the numbers are just nice. I like the numbers.